Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ally Invest app, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Ally Invest app, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar, type Ally Invest and press enter. Look for the app with the logo featuring Ally's branding. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to open the app's details page. Review the app description and confirm it's the correct app for your investment needs. Next, locate and tap the install button on your screen. Wait for the app to download and install. Once completed, you will see the Ally Invest app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app for the first time. If you already have an Ally account, enter your login credentials. For new users, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. Make sure to verify your identity as required by the app. Once your account is set up, explore the app's features and interface. This will help you familiarize yourself with the investment tools available. You are now ready to start using the Ally Invest app for your investment activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.